While the SEC vs. Ripple case continues, we have further revealing news from the famed lawyer, John Deaton. What did he reveal now? And what other exciting news has just occurred? To discover out, watch the video until the conclusion. Subscribe and leave a remark in the comments area with your opinion on XRP. Greetings, XRP soldiers. Another excellent interview with John Deaton, a well-known pro-Ripple attorney, in which he exposes the deceptive Securities and Exchange Commission. In light of the company's answer to the Securities and Exchange Commission's petition to force it to reveal recordings of internal meetings, which was submitted in December 2017, it has been decided to postpone expert discovery until November 12, 2021. Ripple is a cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in the United States that provides a number of services. Nobody could have guessed how lengthy this legal dispute would take to conclude. In a recent podcast, attorney John Deaton, who is defending XRP investors in the SEC Ripple litigation, described what is going on behind the scenes of the case. He stated that Ripple would soon reveal the identities of its expert witnesses, as well as the following. I would expect David Schwartz to be one of their expert witnesses. The author then speculated that Ripple would recruit an independent industry specialist in blockchain and decentralization, which he believes is highly likely. What are your thoughts on Deaton's leaks, by the way? Please let us know in the comments section below. At the most recent session of the court in San Francisco, Analisa Torres, a U.S. district judge, gave XRP investors the position of amicus curiae, or friend of the court. It is important to note, however, that while XRP holders are not a party to the case, they do have an impact on the issues that have developed as a result of the dispute. Deaton expressed thankfulness for the ruling and added that Judge Sarah Netburn is conducting an in-camera assessment of the evidence submitted, stating that she's going to issue a decision whether or not the documents that the SEC claim to be private are, in fact, protected. And Ripple doesn't understand them, or she'll declare that they aren't privileged. Even if the data are protected by privilege, he went on to say that if the materials are relevant, an order of partial disclosure can be issued. However, there is no specific date for the amicus review hearing, according to the schedule provided by attorney James K. Fillan. However, the hearing will establish a number of critical facts. Deaton stated that if the SEC's own study revealed that the regulator found that XRP is a good investment, because there was a security in 2018, the regulator may be questioned about why it took so long to bring it to market. The lawsuit will be filed in late 2020. He then speculated on another instance that occurred just before XRP was formally introduced on Coinbase in the early months of 2019. It prompted him to respond with the following tweet, which you can see below. As a result, the SEC may be obliged to explain the meeting that resulted in the permission, he explained. If you feel John Deaton is correct regarding the SEC, please leave a comment with the phrase XRP Army. Deaton also provided some additional encouraging and hopeful ripples. News unrelated to the SEC litigation. More information can be found by clicking here. KJ Labs, a blockchain business based in Seattle, has began conversations with the Central Bank of Brazil about collaborating on the country's CBDC implementation as part of its real-world CBDC implementation. To prepare for the trial, the company will employ its own cryptocurrency platform, Lithosphere, which will determine whether or not Brazil's digital currency can be used as legal cash in the country in question. According to the company's founder, Joel Kasser, the company's focus will be on how to achieve interoperability across numerous CBDCs and other distributed ledger technologies. The Brazilian government has been researching the viability of CBDCs since 2020. To determine the best course of action, officials from the central bank will meet with representatives from Ripple at the time to study the idea of deploying a private version of the XRP ledger to achieve the desired effect. BCB stated in June 2021 that it has completed the basis for the following steps in its digital currency development initiative. The framework will be finished in June 2021. Do you think this is good news for Ripple? If so, be sure to like this video. Ripple Labs and KJ Labs, the company that will carry out a portion of the plan to bring Brazil's CBDC to actuality, have a close working relationship. This is not a coincidence. Ripple Labs has a subsidiary called KJ Labs. Joel Kasser's organization has expressed gratitude to Ripple for assisting in the development of a network for quick, low-cost cross-border money transfers utilizing cryptocurrency XRP. Ripple is a division of the Ripple Group. According to the company, Ripple's work laid the path for inventions such as lithosphere. Artificial intelligence powers lithosphere's intelligent smart contracts. Deep neural networks, DNNs, and deep neural networks, DNNs, are used to manage keys in the lithosphere DNNs. Utilizing a one-of-a-kind myriad distributed key management (DKM) technique, Kaj Labs went above and beyond to assist Ripple during its current legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The conflict is still occurring. The corporation has contributed a total of $95 million to Ripple's legal defense fund, which is currently expanding. Is it a fluke that Kaj Labs was able to secure a collaboration with the Brazilian central bank only a few months after making such a large investment to Ripple's legal defense efforts? Finance feeds, on the other hand, did not receive. They did not immediately receive a response, but they will update the article as soon as they do. The company's trial cooperation with the Central Bank of Brazil, with the introduction of digital real CBDC, marks a significant step forwards in terms of the company's relevance in the cryptocurrency market. According to the country's president, as soon as the infrastructure and conditions for the adoption of digital money are in place, Brazil aims to digitalize the Brazilian real and, if everything goes well, to release central bank digital currency as early as 2022. A CBDC might be constructed on the foundation of the country's rapid payment system, PIX, which will be launched in 2020 and would allow users to transfer and receive payments in seconds using their cell phones. Distributed ledger technology, DLT, will be used with the help of Kaj Labs Lithosphere, which will tokenize the bonds and the wholesale payment token using its own blockchain interoperability solutions as well as its own. The participants will use a permissioned blockchain to carry out the experiment, and both types of tokenized money will be used to settle debenture and bond transactions. The blockchain will be used to issue, settle, and clear tokenized money. It is undeniably complicated, yet many specialists appear to believe that this is the case. This will, in reality, tremendously enhance Ripple and its overall global status. Invest in XRP right now? If we keep this in mind, we can expect the token to reach $1.5 by the end of November. To be more exact, the token's value may climb to $2 in the future. Investing in it now is a good idea following the formal debut of WXRP in December, making investing in it now a wise move. So go ahead and do it. What are your thoughts on John Deaton's leaks? Do you think this will help XRP? Not less than $2. Please let us know in the comments. If you want to learn more about XRP, we have 2 videos waiting for you at the bottom of the page. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Look forwards to seeing you in the future video. Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change rapidly, so by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. The information in this video does not represent investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not take any of it as such. This video's information is intended solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Execute actions. Before making any investment decisions, conduct your due diligence and consult with your financial advisor.